The problem with my headlight switch, the headlight switch doesn't turn off. So every time I turn the car off, the headlights stay on, and when I push it down, it still stay on. It doesn't matter what I do. When I first got the car, it was working a little, and then it just stopped. I only have the car for like probably like less than a month now. So this came out like somebody had crazy glue it in before. Like they tried to fix it before. It looked like crazy glue, but that didn't work. So I have to clean this up and try to get this back inside, because I took it out. Try to get it back inside. Yeah. So I took it out of there and I have to get it back inside. There's a bulb in there that I have to change to that I have to put this back in. So I have to take this out. So first I have to pull that screw. Mine doesn't have the cover for this. So first I have to pull the screw right there, and then there's another screw behind it. Then you could take this front cover off. I have to take the front cover off. This part is gonna stay in there, and then I think the vent come off, and then the light part gonna stay in there, and then you have to screw that light part out, because there's another screw that's supposed to be, after you take this out, there's a screw that's gonna be a Phillips screw that's gonna be up top right there. So let's attack this. There we go. It's gonna be hard for me to hold the camera and to video, because there's nothing to hold the camera right now, and right now it's raining, and I have a new roof on and it's not leaking, so we're doing great. This is the main part where it would leak at. I just opened the door, but this is the main part where it would leak at if it was leaking, and it's not leaking, but hopefully it stay up. I have a cover for the car that I cover it with whenever it's raining, but I just put the cover on, so I want to see what leakages have, so I could fix it before I go out in the street. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And my mileage on my car, just so you guys see, it's right there. It's 25,000 miles. It's 25,000 miles, but right now my next tune-up is at 30,000. You know what I'm saying? So here we go, guys. Here we go. So first I gotta find the socket for that size bolt right there. So I'm not sure what it is. I know it's a really small one. What is this? This is a 8. Let's see if it's an 8. Not sure. 8 is really small. Oh, it is. It's an 8. Could be a 7. No, it's an 8. 8 millimeter. Where is it at? 8 millimeter right there. Pow! Just for you. 8 millimeter, baby. Take off the first bolt for the headlight screw. Yeah, right now I doesn't have the time to look for it's raining. I don't want to go in the rain, so I have a little screwdriver. I put it on my 8-inch ratchet, and just turn. That's how easy it is. You don't always need a ratchet. And for this, you want to put it up somewhere safe, and then and cup holder. I don't know if you have a cup holder in your Z3. So here we go. Take this piece off. Oh, so to get this out, I didn't even know. I was trying to pull it out, but I realized that the light is it's gonna pop out and it's gonna be on. So what I just realized is you have to turn this not clockwise, counterclockwise, right? This is clockwise, counterclockwise, right? So it's just for you guys that don't know. Clockwise is going clockwise. This is counterclockwise, going backwards. Not backwards, it's counterclockwise. You feel me? Because we don't go backwards. Yes, sir. So this is the Z3, 1997 2.8 Z3, baby. So this, you're gonna take it off and you're gonna do the same thing again, right? Put it inside your cup holder. Yeah, my car's really clean, I think. Not really sure, but I got 25,000 miles on it. So you tell me what's clean. Turn my lights on. So when you look up in there right now, right, you can see the Phillips head screw screw right there, right? You see the light bulb right there, but you see the fillet pad right up there. So what you want to do is find a fillet. Find a fillet for the Z3, baby. You gotta get this light. You gotta get this light going, cause I can't have my battery. My battery died every time I leave my car on. My battery go dead, bro. And this is the Z3 not supposed to go dead, bro. Yeah. And I'm just using my little stubby screwdriver. Just find a grip. If it ever grip, maybe I gotta find a little tiny screwdriver. Oh man, this ain't gonna work. I don't wanna go in the rain, cause it rain on everybody's roof at the same time, right? That's what they say. Alright. So this is not gonna work. I don't think it's too big. So you need a small screwdriver. And there's the tiny one. Yeah. So now I'm almost there. I think it's coming out. Is it out? Let's see. Let's see if it's out. Yep, it's closer to us, right? Let's see. Couple more turn. Yeah, that's out. There we go. There we go. Think I could do it? Magnet, baby. Magic, baby. Got it. Got it right there. See that? Magic, baby. Oh no, the Z3. It fell. Oh no. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see, where did it go? Yeah, so now, let's see. How do I get this out now? I don't know. I still don't know how to get it out. Do I just yank it out? It's moving. Oh, it's moving now. It wasn't moving before. So maybe if I put this back on clockwise, right? And use this and pull it, that might make sense, right? Not sure. Let's see. Yeah, it does make a little sense. See, it's coming up right there. Cut here loose. So I don't want to break this because they cost a lot of money on eBay. It's like a buck, like $200, $300, $400. You see they going for. I'm like, whoa, because I was just gonna buy a new one, and just I was just gonna buy a new one and just leave it like that. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't gonna deal with the trying to fix it, because I've been trying to fix everything in the car so far. But when I seen the price, I'm like, oh no, I could spend at least an hour, maybe 2 on it and try to fix this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put this right next to my steering wheel so I can get shot while I'm trying to get it out. So what I do is I just pull this out and put my screwdriver right there just to hold it, and put my screwdriver right there just to hold it, and then I'm just gonna try and see what's here. I don't want to force it. I don't want to use no force because I don't want to break no pins or anything behind there. So let's see. This over here still look tight, so I'm not gonna put the pressure on it to force it out. So let me see. I can't do this with 2 hands, so let me put this phone down and try to get it again. Oh, so the way to get it, right? The clip is really under the bottom. So you have to like put your screw. I did it the wrong way in the first place. I think I didn't even put it out yet, but I'm just thinking. When I put pressure over here, it pop out really easy. So what you should do, and don't do the same thing I did. Don't put the screwdriver up here. Just yank it a little. Don't yank it. Just put it a little, and put your screwdriver under here, and just like just brace it. Put your thumb on the material on the vent, and push and pull at the same. Pull with the screwdriver and push at the same time, so you don't break it. So you just pull the whole thing up. You know what I'm saying, if you have two screwdrivers, it's even better. You know what I'm saying, one screwdriver is good, but so don't put it by the hedge though, because you see the edge is very brittle. Unless you go over here. Over here got the, you know what I'm saying, got the 45-degree bent on it. So make sure you put the screwdriver on in the middle or at the edge right here. Alright, so my next move is to yank this out. So let me see, show you what's going on. Put that little. So now I gotta separate this. I gotta separate this thing from this. I just gotta separate it so I can get it out and without damaging anything. So I need both of my ends. I'll tell you what I do as I go. And just so you see the clip is right here. There's no clip here. The clip is here, and there is a clip right on this edge right here. If you can see in there, the clip right there. And there's no clip under the bottom. No, I think there's a clip under the bottom. I think there's one under the bottom. When I pull it out, one, and there's another clip over it on this side right here, on the bottom. So there's probably like 4 clips, right? Guys, I cannot do this with both ends, but this is how you have to do it, right? There's 2 tabs on the side. There's one right there and one on the other side. You have to push them in, and when you push them in, you have to pull out. I'm doing this by myself, so I'm using my finger. Look at my fingers. See my fingers messed up? Yeah, so I'm pulling at the same time, and I'm pushing with this finger right here, and my other hand, and I'm pushing with this. I'm pushing this that way. Understand? So I'm pulling with my thumb, pushing down with my pointy finger, my left hand, pushing that way, pushing to the left, and pushing to the right with my other hand, and it will pop out like this. So right now it's popped. You see the separation right there? That's the separation right there. So, and that's the hole right there that I had the screwdriver in right there. But it's not easy, it's really difficult. And this should just push out right now. See? Separate like that. Boom. That's how you separate it. And the light switch is right here, which I just broke it, I think. No, I didn't break it. It's not broken. I just gonna need to clip back on over here. So yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to see what's going on with this thing right here, because it's not shutting off when I turn off the light. So something is going on inside that's not really right, and that's the number right there, just in case I lose this thing. That's an 8. So now I'm trying to get this out. But look, I think I see a problem already. Like, look at all that white stuff. Look at all that white stuff on the corrosion on the wire over there. Okay, that gotta be some kind of problem right there. Some problem. So I'm gonna have to unplug this right now. Right there. Finally got it out. For some reason, I don't know, I have to clean this wire up. Something don't look right there. You know, that corrosion, but otherwise than that, wires look good. There's a vent right here. I don't know why is it not connected anywhere. There's a vent line in there. I think it should be connected somewhere, but it's not. That means that crap ain't working. Hey, look what I found. My vent came off. Let me put this where it's supposed to go. My vent came off, and so what I'm gonna do is clean this up. Look at it, it's dirty anyway, filthy in there, filthy inside. So this is what I would be breathing in anyway. So I'm gonna put it back in, but where it goes, it go all the way back there. I don't know if you can see the hole up top. That's where I gotta put this to. Right up there. You can didn't see outside. So one go right there, and one goes all the way over there. So, and work on the magic piece that I got out the car. You can see the problem already. Look at that. All that corrosion that you see, that was the problem. So when I turn my lights on, it just stay on all day. So I said when I turn my lights on, it just stay on all day. My light worked, but now I'm gonna fix the problem. That's the problem. So let's go inside, baby. Just look everything look good right there. I'm gonna clean up all that anyway. And gotta open it from right here, and I'm gonna glue this back on. So while I'm in there, I'm gonna fix this piece right here. They had crazy glue on it. That have to go, and this goes like this here on the back of it. It goes down like this. Hold on, let me fix that like that. Oh, God. Oh. Right, like that. Right there. It goes like that. And that's exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna clean it up, get it right, and bring it back and put it on. And put it in, install it. I wish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this bulb, even though it worked. I'm gonna change it anyway because I don't want to install it and then the bulb blow, and then I'm like, I wish I would install it and I have to go back in there. So I'm gonna change this one too and clean this up, clean this piece up, get all that corrosion out of there, and install everything back in nice and clean. So here we go. Alright, so right now I'm gonna open this up, and I already started. Pried open him right there, right in that groove right there, groove, and I'm going to try and fix this baby. So here we go. See, stuff is falling out of it. Look. Yeah, all that white stuff falling out. That's the problem. This is having some lost connection somewhere from the light keep turning off the headlight. So wait, so Alright, that's how you get it open, right? So that's how I want to put it back in, just like that. So first thing I'm gonna do before I go any further, I'm gonna check this board right in, right? It look pretty good, but I'm gonna clean it up, like just sand it down. Let me do that right now. So I'm just gonna light brush it, just to spark up, just to get everything right. If you look in there, it's a broken piece in there. That piece right there. Yeah, so I just pulled these two brass pins up. So now I'm trying to get out this white piece right here. Let me see. Oh, maybe I could get it out while I'm rolling. Yeah. So this is what goes down. I don't wanna. This piece is broken right here. I have a little broken piece on it. So and it's like a spring. So I don't really want to play with that too much. If you see, it's broken right there. So this is what I want to inspect. It look good, but this part, you see how this part look? So I'm just gonna clean it up, probably solder it, and probably not, and just put it back. That's it. Yeah, so I'm bringing out my brand new tool. Hopefully I got a battery to it, I'm not sure, but my brand new tool to test to make sure that this got continuity all the way around. So let me check. I think it's working. I think these looking really good. I don't think this spring is bad at all. So I just had to clean it up, as you can see. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my device. I test it to make sure that it have continuity. Make sure that I'm gonna use my device to make sure that it's good, it's working. So this is how you test this. Why isn't that going off? So there we go. When I put these together and I put these like this, it should make a noise. If these have connection, it should make a noise. So it have connection all around. If it didn't, I would have to solder wherever I think it have a break at. So if you think it have a break there, you solder from here to here, or you can solder the whole thing. But I wouldn't solder the whole thing. I would just solder wherever I think it have a break. Mine is pretty good. I just have to clean it up. From one end to the other. Fully powered. So I'm good to go. I just got to clean it up and put it back in. So here we go. So this is all checked out good. I just got sprayed up now, clean it up, install it right back. Okay. So now I'm just gonna inspect this really good. I think it's good, but I'm gonna inspect it some more and make sure that everything is good and install it back in, make sure see if my light works. If it don't, then I will go to getting a new one because I'm not gonna play games with it. Yeah, so I'm ready to install everything back in the car. Alright, right now it's raining outside, so I can't install it back in the car, so I'm inside setting up everything to go back in. So this is the first thing. I cleaned it up all the way 100%. I made sure I checked to make sure it got continuity all the way around. I don't know if I'm saying that word right, but put it back in. You just gotta slide it right back in the casing. Oh, the first thing you have to do is make sure this is all the way up. I put some glue on my my broken black piece in there. I don't know what it's for. It's like a gasket or whatever. So so I fixed that. I'm not putting no pressure on it right now, so I'm just gonna put this right back in there like that. And that's gonna stay in there like that. And then I'm bend these two spring down until it locking back into place where it was before. So that's me bending down the first one right there. You can just bend down with your finger, and then you could get it into place where it needs to go. With like a screwdriver, you have with extra force to force it in place. So I just got it back in place where it used to be, and now it should get good connection, right? For some reason the headlight wouldn't go off, but now it should get good connection, hopefully. I'm not sure why it wouldn't go off or why, whatever. So now it's time to put the plates back on. This goes on first, then this. So I just put the Gorilla Glue. I just put it all around in there. And I put some on here, on the hedges. I'm about to install it. Yeah, so use something to hold on the light sign while the glue dry into the fixture. Okay, so now it's time to put this stuff back. And we are putting them back right now. This I just got it plugged back in. So it's all plugged back in right now. Yeah, now it's working really good. Watch. Before it wouldn't shut off at all. So now it works. It's a Z3. Headlight's working really good now. Now I gotta clean them up. Now I have to clean them up, but it worked.